he sees not. From Bhagavad Gita, chapter 18, shlokas 14, 15, 16. After knowing the five factors which are the constituent parts in all actions, a question should arise as how can these five become the component parts in every human activity and lead us to the conclusion that the sense of agency of the self is an illusion. 14. The seat, body, the doer, ego, the various organs of perception, the different functions of various organs of action, and also the presiding deity, the fifth. 15. Whatever action a man performs by the body, speech, and mind, whether right or the reverse, these five are its causes. 16. Now, such being the case, verily he who, owing to his untrained understanding, looks upon his self, which is alone, never conditioned by the equipment, as the doer, he of perverted intelligence sees not. The five component parts mentioned in Shloka 14 that go into the constitution of any action are all made up of inert and insentient matter. The above five are the causes for all actions stated in Shloka 15 that are performed by the body, speech, and mind, which are also made up of inert and insentient matter. In the presence of the spirit, the matter becomes sentient. Failing to discriminate between equipment of action made of inert and insentient matter and the actionless spirit, which in an unhealthy combination between them gives birth to the actor, doer, the poor egocentric personality. The Supreme Self is misunderstood by the ordinary man to be the actor, and in the consequent ego sense, the divinity is forgotten. Matter, according to its own nature, by the force of Maya, appears to act in the presence of the spirit. Thus, he who looks upon his self as the doer due to his untrained understanding, which is alone never conditioned by the equipment of body, speech, and mind, he of perverted intelligence sees not. Hari Om. To celebrate the 105th Chinmay Jayanti of Swami Chinmayananda, watch online discourses in his own voice from May 8, 2021 at 7:15 p.m. on Chinmay channel. To better understand Gita, read Kindle Life by Swamiji and also watch Ranjot Kalra's playlist on Kindle Life videos. Hari Om.